Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the leaderboard on the Dominoes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the ranking icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can check the leaderboard, the daily leaderboard, the monthly, and the all-time leaderboard. And you can check the users and information about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.